Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2023 Kia Carnival and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the lenses, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be linked below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, it's very important to make sure to prep each lens before installing the tint. So make sure to spray Slip Solution on each section of the lenses, and then with a clean microfiber towel, remove any contaminants that each lens may have. Okay, so we're starting with this piece first. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And just place the film onto the headlight, and you want to align it on this section first. So align the film right on the edge. Once you have it on the edge, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. That way we're able to anchor the film to this section of the headlight. So hold it in position and tack it down with your squeegee. And make sure to remove any water bubbles that are behind the film. Now that we have it secured, you can work on either end of the film. Just make sure to keep it aligned and tack it down to secure it. So just lift it, apply Tack Solution, realign it, spray on top Tack Solution, and then tack it down. And then do the same for the bottom here. Lift it, apply Tack Solution, align it, and tack it down. Now we're done with this headlight, now we can move on with the other lenses. So for this one, you can apply Tack Solution on both the lens and the adhesive side of the film, and just place the film and align it to the lens here. So align it to the lens on the edge here, tack it down to secure it, and you just do a small little stretch. You don't necessarily need to do a stretch, but if you want, just do a small one to reach it up to the edge and then tack it down. Keep in mind with this one, it's not going to cover most of the lenses on the outer side because it's a very narrow space here on the top because of the bezel that's covering it, but it's going to cover the majority of the lens. And then the same steps that was done here, you would repeat it for the remaining lenses. So once you finish with the whole installation, the last thing to do is post heat the entire headlight. So all you need to do is just apply Tack Solution on each lens that was worked on. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat on each section of the lens. And also as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel to tack everything down and remove any solution that may still be trapped underneath the film and on the edges as well. So it's important not to skip this step. Post heat everything, and then once you're done post heating, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2023 Kia Carnival. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to give a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you're missing any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.